The human body is grand in design. Every day it coordinates bones, muscles, internal organs, and systems. It is an amazing machine, and it all begins with a basic cell. The cell is the building block of life. Every day your body creates new cells, constantly rebuilding to keep the body strong. The cells must be properly nourished with real food nutrients to stay healthy, because when they are healthy, they're able to protect you from stress and external forces, which helps keep your body stronger when your tissues and organ systems are balanced. The proper nourishment of these cells is the food we eat.
Food is the source of the cells and molecules in the body that create the tissues, that create the organs, that ultimately make you what you are. And so food is not just energy, it's not just a supply of carbohydrates, fats, and proteins. It's the supply of the basic ingredients of the structures of the body.
The difference between what your body needs nutritionally and what it actually receives creates the nutritional gap. It must be filled or the body suffers.
Really, our food is not as nutrient dense as it should be. And so really dietary supplementation to make sure that you're getting ample amounts of vitamins, minerals, phytochemicals, and the other nutrients that your body needs is a great idea.
With so many dietary supplement choices out there, which ones are right for you? What does science tell us?
The body's designed to be as healthy as possible with nutrition from food. And if we choose not to consume the right kinds of foods, then we need to supplement the diet with food-based nutritional supplements. Not chemicals, not man-made ingredients, but nutrition that comes from food itself. And using legitimate science, you can in fact bring out the goodness of nature, and you only get that from food. You only get that from nutritional supplements that are designed and created from food.
Combining the best of what nature and science have to offer is the foundation of Manitech's nutritional supplementation based on real food technology solutions.
Real food technology means you take natural foods and you use natural foods through science to create nutritional supplements. And Manitech has always been a science-based company.
Real food technology solutions are the basis for all the products Manitech produces, starting with our core health products.
You cannot bridge the nutritional gap with single products. And people who say, my magic one product will do all of the above, I think just doesn't get it.
The human body needs so many different things, and these just simply cannot be put together in effective amounts in one single juice product. We put a core suite of products together, not a lot of products, just really core 5 products. And within these 5 products that you can take every day, you're getting all of your nutritional needs in a very validated way.
This is Real Food Technology Solutions. This is Manitech.